Hello kids, let's learn some shapes. Black color. Hexagon. Hexagon. Cross. Cross. Heart. Heart. Star. Arrow. Octagon. Octagon. Let's learn some colors. Orange color, sky blue color, pink color, purple color, green color, yellow color. Green color, hexagon. Green color, hexagon. Yellow color, cross. Yellow color, cross. Sky blue color, heart. Sky blue color, heart. Pink color, star. Pink color, star. Purple color, arrow. Purple color, arrow. Orange color, octagon. Orange color, octagon. Green color, hexagon. Yellow color, cross. Sky blue color, heart. Pink color, star. Purple color, arrow. Orange color, octagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.